Welcome students. So today we are going to cover the topic letter writing. So letter writing, letters are differentiated into two parts. Let's say formal letter and informal letter. So formal letters are usually the letters which are written to the editor of some newspaper, to the directors, or complaint letter, or to the authorities, etc. While informal letters are the letters which we write to our friends, to our families, to our relatives. Alright, so this is a major difference between the two, and usually in junior classes informal letters are more in the syllabus, which are for the family, to the friends. For example, write a letter to your friend and describing about your experience to a recent trip that you have gone to. If you have gone to somewhere like a school trip maybe, or a trip with your family, so you're going to write a letter to your friend and you're explaining that how your trip was. So that will come under informal letter. And suppose if there is any sibling of yours, he or she is in hostel, and you have to write a letter to him or her regarding his or her experience in the hostel, how he or she is feeling. So basically that will be there in informal letter. And maybe to relative, let's say, then maybe your relatives, your aunt or your uncle has given you any gift on your birthday, and you're going to thank him or her while with a letter. So you can do that as well with the help of informal letter. Informal letters are usually till class standard 8th. Then if we'll be very much specific about formal letters, let's say to the complaint letters, this is the kind of topic which is very much common in board classes, specifically 9th, 10th, 11th, so 12th, and this is a common topic of complaint letters. So I am going to tell you about these, how we can write these letters, what is the pattern, and what is the basically how we can write a complaint letter properly. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So let us start with informal letter first, that how we can write the informal letters. So informal letter. How we are going to write an informal letter? First of all, we are going to write the address, the sender's address, who is sending the message, then the date, alright, and then we are going to write the salutation. Dear let's give any name, dear mother, father, dear Sakshi, let's say. Maybe I'm writing a letter to my friend. I'm writing a letter to my friend, and I'm going to tell her about the vacation that I have recently gone to. So here I will start with the content, and I will begin with, I am fine here, hope the same for you. This is the line that is going to be common in all the informal letters. Maybe you are writing it to your parents, to your friends, or whatsoever, this line is going to be there always. And then you're going to start with the content of your letter. Let's say that so I hope I'm fine here and I hope the same for you. So I want to tell you that recently I had gone to a vacation with my parents, and I really enjoyed it, and it was super fun. I hope you were with me, and things would have been so much beautiful if you were with me. Maybe we can plan the trip to next time, and whatever the place is, suppose if you have gone to Manali, then you can explain about your experience. You can tell her about your experience, that yes, I went there and I went there, I shopped this, I shopped that. This is the way how you can complete the content. And last you can write, hope to see you soon. This is how you can end this. And always you're going to use yours lovingly, not obediently or truly, because that is going to be there in formal letter writing. All right, and then you're going to write your name in the end. This is the way, this is the pattern for informal letter writing. It can be to your friends, to your family, or whatsoever. All right, so this is the content of this is the pattern of writing an informal letter. So if to be very specific, if I would say that this was to a friend, it can be to family members also, it can be to relatives also. Suppose if I am going to write a letter to my aunt, so I will write, dear aunt, thank you for the gift that you have given to me on my birthday. Suppose she has gifted me a camera, so I will be very much thankful to her that thank you for gifting me the camera, and I didn't have any camera and I love clicking pictures, that's why I wanted a camera, and you have given me that, and I am very much grateful to you. Now I can click more pictures, and I can, whenever I will go on a vacation, then definitely I'm going to click great pictures. So I am very much grateful to you. I have received so many gifts, but the best gift that I have received is the camera that you have given me. So that is how you can thank her. This was another example of informal letter writing. So this is the letter writing which is common up to class 8th. क्लास 8 तक आपको इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स मिलते हैं. Usually formal letters are also there, but mostly informal letters are there, so you have to remember all these things properly, and you have to understand that how. One more thing is there about the date. So many students, they get confused about how they can write the date. The right method and the wrong method, I am going to tell you both how you can write the dates. Let's say today is 26th of May 2020. This is the right way of writing date, and do not write this here, just put the date. ये जो date है ये आपको as it is यहाँ पे लिख देनी है. Some of the students, they get confused. They, instead of this, they will write 26/5/2020 and like that. This is wrong. This is not how you're supposed to write the date in informal letter writing. This is the right way for that. All right, for this. And also you cannot write, by putting commas in between. This is the right way. This is how you can write the date. So I hope this one of the main doubts that most of the students have, it must be cleared by now. So this was about informal letter writing. Now we shall discuss about formal letter writing. In formal letter writing, as I have already told you, that in formal letters we write these to the editor, as a complaint letter, or maybe to some director or authorities regarding anything. So let us firstly discuss. Suppose if I have to write a letter to some authority, let's say municipal corporation, regarding the situation of roads in your area, that there are so many holes in the roads and there are so many accidents usually, and waterlogging is there, and because of that so many people they are suffering, and mosquitoes are there, and this is how you can explain it to the authorities. Then how you are going to write this? This is what we are going to learn. First of all, in formal letter writing, you have to write the sender's address. All right. Then one line you have to leave. Then date. Then you have to write the receiver's address. Who is the receiver here? Receiver is the municipal corporation. So you can write municipal corporation and your area wherever you live and your city. Clear? Then you have to write the subject, the context, कि आप किस कंटेक्स्ट में इसको लिखोगे. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग इट फॉर द बैड कंडीशंस ऑफ रोड, so this will be my subject, bad condition of roads, and then I am going to write the subject. Normally you can just write sir. Alright, then we will begin with the content. You can start like, I want to draw your kind attention towards the conditions of the roads in our society. This is how you can write. Also in the beginning you can also write about yourself that I am a resident of Residency Road or whichever place you live in, and the following by the name of the city, and then I want to draw your kind attention towards the situation of whatever problem you are facing. Alright, and then in the end you will write the situation, you will explain it, and in the end, I hope you will take some positive steps soon. Okay, then in the end you will write thanking you and yours truly and your name. This is the way how you can write the formal letter, for, like you can say, for to the authorities, to any of the authorities. So I hope you must have get the idea how you are going to write these letters. We will just talk about one more letter type, that is to the editor. Letter to the editor, and let's say complaint letter. Complaint letter. How we are going to write the complaint letter? Suppose if you have recently purchased a gadget from any shop and that gadget is not working properly, and you are very much upset about it because you have just purchased it and you have paid a huge amount for the same. Let us say you have bought a new Apple phone and the phone is not working properly, and you're going to complain about the same. Sorry, that will not come under, that will come under the complaint letter. So the editor part we will do later. So how we are going to do the complaint and how we are going to write our part, this is what I am going to explain. As I have told you before, firstly you have to write the sender's address, then the date, then receiver's address, and in receiver's address what you are going to write the name of the company from wherever you have purchased this phone, then the subject related to the phone, whatever problem you are facing, and then sir, I want to tell you that I recently purchased a phone from your Apple store, and I am facing a lot of problems with the same, and you can also mention the bill number and the details of the bill and the date on the bill, on which date and day you have purchased the phone. Okay, so this was about the complaint letter, and lastly we are going to discuss letter to the editor of a newspaper. So letter to the editor. When we write these letters, suppose whenever you have to draw the attention of some authorities towards some situation and by virtue of a newspaper, कि वो उसको न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ें और आपके जो ये प्रॉब्लम है उसको देखें, बिकॉज मे बी पर्सनली जब आप लोग उसको भेज रहे हो लेटर्स को तब वो लोग रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे. तो दिस इज़ द वे, वन वे यू कैन explain your problem. and also you can give your views in the letter to the editor, like what do you think about the road safety, what do you think about the the things that the teenagers are doing, or maybe the youth, about the youth you can write. Basically you can write that maybe that the situation of the your country and what all problems do you face, and this is and how the authorities can work for you in and basically to give your views you write the letter to the editor, and the pattern will be same. You will write your address first, then date, then the editor, then the name of the newspaper, let us say Hindustan Times, then New Delhi or whichever city you live in, then the subject, you can write that the society, in your society the police patrolling is not there and the crimes are deteriorating. Then sir, with the help of this letter, deteriorating situation in your society, then sir, and then you are going to write the content through the column of your esteemed newspaper. I want to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the deteriorating situation of law and order in your society or let's say city. कि आपके एरिया में जो पुलिस पेट्रोलिंग है and the incidents of thefts are increasing day by day, and the police is also not vigilant, the patrolling is not there and they are not working properly. So you hope for some immediate action by the authorities so that these incidents may reduce, and this is how you can end the letter. And then as usual you will write thanking you and yours truly. This is how you can end the letter, and XYZ your name, and this is how you're going to complete the letter. So I hope you liked my video. So if you like my video, then definitely please like it, and if for more such explanation you can also write in the comment section if you want any more explanation of this of these letter or something related to it. Thank you so much for watching.